Hello friends, welcome to our channel Accounts and Finance with FARSK. This is our video on the International Financial Accounting Standard IFRS 16 Leases. Hope you will like, share and subscribe our channel. International Financial Accounting Standard 16 Leases. IFRS 16 Leases Scope. IFRS 16 applies to all leases except for leases of intangible assets, leases to explore for use of mineral, oil, natural gas, and similar non-regenerative resources, and leases of biological assets. The standard applies to both leases and lessors and replaces the previous lease accounting standard IAS 17. IFRS 16 Leases Definition. IFRS 16 defines a lease as a contract or part of a contract that conveys the right to use an asset for a period of time in exchange for consideration. The asset can be intangible or tangible asset and must be identified in the contract. The right to use the asset must be exclusive, meaning that the lessor cannot use the asset during the lease term. Classification. IFRS 16 requires leases to classify leases as either finance leases or operating leases. A lease is classified as a finance lease if it transfers substantially all the risk and rewards of ownership of the asset to the lessee. All other leases are classified as operating leases. Recognition and measurement. Lessors must be recognized a right of use asset and lease liability for all leases except for lease with a term of 12 months or less and leases of low value assets. The lease liability is measured at the present value of the lease payments discounted using the lessor's incremental borrowing rate. The right of use asset is initially measured at cost, which is the amount of the lease liability plus any initial direct cost incurred by the lessee and any prepayments made to the lessor. Lessors must continue to recognize the leased asset and present it in their financial statements in accordance with IAS 16 Property, Plant and Equipment, IAS 38 Intangible Assets, or IFRS 15, that is revenue from contracts with customers depending on the nature of the leased asset. IFRS 16 requires both lessors and lessors to disclose the information about their leases in their financial statements. Lessors must disclose the carrying amount of the lease liability and the right of use asset, as well as information about lease payment and lease terms. Lessors must disclose information about the nature of their leased assets as well as information about their lease income and expenses. Well, that's it for today. Hope you like our video. For more videos, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Accounts and Finance with Affairs.